Moving time. Yes.
So you're gonna take that right now or soon?
Yes. Moving time.
An 11? When did you get that? Is that the Pro or just a regular 11?
Everything's gone, boys. This will be coming back for her, but there she is. Everything is gone. Alright guys, so we're here at the new place now. Got the G35 right out front. So much to do. Let's see, still gotta organize all of this. RC build coming soon. Stay tuned, we're gonna be bringing this thing back to life. I gotta start going through all of this, put this fan, maybe I'll put the fan in like that corner. I have some curtain things I'm gonna put up over this because that's just weird. I don't like that, the mirror thing. So yeah, we got to get all of that done. TV, it's actually not a bad spot. Maybe we'll put the TV like right there. I think that's perfect. We'll put the TV right there so when we're working, bam, and then there's a power outlet or strip right there, so that's gonna be perfect. We got our washer. We're still looking for a dryer. We're gonna be getting a dryer soon. I believe we still maybe taking this one, sliding this over, putting my workbench here. But yeah, all of this still has to be organized and whatnot. Hey bud, how do you like your new home? Going through all of this stuff. I just put together the turtle tank, letting it filter out, but that's the location for that. TV is gonna go on the wall, couch right here. And then our room. Still gotta kind of figure some stuff out, but bed. And then that's gonna stay there. There's TV on the wall. I'm probably gonna have to take this back off. This thing.
Yeah, that's what?
What was it?
Got your girlfriend moving your work.
I gotta record, you know? Push it all the way over. Go a little bit more. Go a little bit, and a little bit more. I was gonna say, if you go a tad bit more, then you could do your thing. Perfect. Oh, that's fucking perfect.
Put the strip right here. I mean, it's just chill.
Slowly making it home. Here's guys. Cool. Got our little hangout spot, and we'll put a barbecue like right there, and you could still walk by to barbecue. Yeah, that's perfect. Hold on, barbecue like right there. That's what you said?
I was thinking it's that wall, but
Or right there. And then yeah, that's perfect. All right, hold on. All right, guys, we're back at the other place, and a lot of great content memories past year working in here. Definitely grew my channel a lot more. But until next time, peace out. All right, guys. Peace. All right, guys, we've been unpacking like crazy, and Shane just got back to the house. Told me to wait outside or wait inside. I don't know. He has something for me, or if he's trying to fuck with me. I don't fucking know. I'm gonna peek through the doggy door.
Wow.
I didn't look. It's crazy though, guys. We got everything getting moved in.
Oh, he's gonna cry.
Are you serious?
So this thing didn't turn out quite as well as I hoped, but I think I still like it.
Let's get my reaction first. I'm gonna cry. I'm not in the mood for crying right now.
Wait, is this thing plugged in?
It smells like paint though, I'll say that much.
Yeah.
You're gonna cry.
I know I am. I'm getting teary.
Aww.
What? Does it change colors or does it say?
No, it's just that.
That's sick.
Yeah.
Who'd
It's got
you-
chains too, so you can hang it.
You made it?
Well, I had the sign. It actually had this thing in it.
ATM.
I found it somewhere and I bought some plastic and
So you made that part.
I got a stencil and painted it and then peeled it.
Oh.
So if you look at it, like there's some of the sticky shit, but I figured that's good enough. And I bought 2 of those stickers. I have the other one too. If you
Fucking
like that.
dude.
Aww.
Thank you. That
Yes,
is
best.
so. Okay, guys, I'm gonna
I
show
love
you.
that.
Damn. Turn the light off. Dude.
See, it's got chains right here. You can hang it up somewhere.
What the fuck?
Let's go change it for
What's up?
That is
Bottle.
sick.
Okay.
That is so dope. Where should we put it?
I don't know.
Dude. Oh, that's fucking perfect for the garage. Where do you guys think we should put it? It I think somewhere right here, right there,
Yeah,
just so it
there.
shows. You know, back to another video. So this morning, Shane and I have been in the garage for, I think we've been working on it for now 2-3 hours, maybe something around the lines of that. And it's looking like a garage. Let me just say that much. So let me go ahead and show you and walk you guys around everything. So, alright, so as you can see, we got all this cleared out now. We actually have a workbench. Everything's cleaned out.
Attending school in
Got the RC car. We're gonna be creating that very soon.
This
This is all gonna be getting organized some more.
I had lived in 3 different countries and spoken.
Got the workbench set up, or I mean, it was already set up, but it's all cleaned. I went ahead and hung the light. Got some boxes put up there to clear up some space. Where's it at? Oh, here. Yeah, so we got all of this cleaned out, and then went ahead and hung up the CCW right here. Shane put up the dartboard. Yeah, so it's looking really, really good. Looks like a garage, that's for sure. It's awesome. Look at that. Like, seriously perfect. Compared to my last garage setup, much better. You can actually see me when I'm talking to you no matter where I'm at. There shouldn't be any dark areas at all. We can see every inch of the garage. So I'm extremely happy about that. There's a chance I'm probably gonna be still buying one more and put right there. I still wanna buy one more. That way it's 1, 2, 3, and then 4 right here. And then I think that should be good. Because to be honest with you, these Harbor Freight ones are actually brighter than those ones over there. But we could probably buy bulbs. Don't they make like LED?
I think so, yeah.
So we can probably change those out. Most likely I will. And then, like I said, that one right there, that thing's extremely bright. I'm going to be buying an extension, plugging it in, running it. And then I would like to have it drop out probably like right here. That way it's just bam, super bright everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out right here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys are just as excited as I'm pretty sure we all are here. It's definitely going to be fun. It's definitely going to be an experience, that's for sure. What else? And yeah, man, I mean, what better way to stay quarantined, I guess. You know, I'm not at work right now, so I have this new garage to kind of play in and create content for you guys, and we have some pretty cool things to come. So smash that thumbs up if you guys are just as excited as I am. It really does help my channel out a lot. The more thumbs up and the more subscriptions I get, the better off I will be. Because like I said, guys, I am out of work. I do get paid through YouTube. It's not a lot, but it does help me. So the more you guys watch my videos, share my videos, and hit that thumbs up, it definitely spreads the word for my channel. Let's continue to grow as a family, guys. Let's get my name out there. And I think 3,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I don't know of what yet. I have side skirts I'm giving away. I have the rear lip I would like to give away. You would just have to close up the hole, because if you guys know, I had the side exit exhaust. Close that up and you got a rear lip kit with a third brake light custom made into it. I have lip kits. We got some good stuff, or maybe we'll do some stickers. I do have some stickers right here as well. What? Oh. So who knows, but 3,000 subscribers, I do want to hit, or I do want to do a giveaway. So subscribe if you guys aren't already, and I hope to catch you all in the next one. And until next time, as always, peace out.